welcome back to the vlog. Excuse me sounding like Shrek's sister. Oh my god, but welcome back to another Vlogmas episode. As you can hear from my raspy voice, I am sick. Boo, boo, boo. I hope you guys are enjoying your day, your night, whenever you're watching this. I hope you guys are tuning in because your girl is busting her chops just to get these videos out to you guys. Yeah, so as I'm editing, I was like, let me hop on the camera real quick and just check in. I don't know what is in store for today because like I said, I'm not feeling well, so I'm just home. The family's in the living room and my in-laws were over here just now, and like I said, I did not pull out the camera because I don't force the camera in their faces. So yeah, Layla wanted to do a haul with you guys, but I don't know if she's still up for that. But if she is, you guys will see that. But I just wanted to pop on here. You guys should, I think it's today, I'm going to be showing you guys me decorating. I decorated early. Wait up from like November or something. I don't remember which day, but I decorated early. But yeah, but I did decorate it outside my house the day after Thanksgiving because, you know, I have my Thanksgiving stuff outside. So yeah, I do that after Thanksgiving. But yeah, I'm gonna get off of here because I sound so bad. So see you in the next clip. Okay, all right. Hubby got me some food and I'm gonna take a quick cooker break. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Got my sandwich. I still sound so bad, but you know, what can I do? I haven't had Chick-fil-A in a very long time, but I have a lot of editing to do. I'm going to scarf this down. No, I'm not. I'm gonna do this. I posted today's vlog already, so go check that out. So that is up. Go check it out. I haven't checked on it since I posted it. Oh, I can't breathe. My nose. Ooh, yeah, I need to go ask
You like this?
how you know saying like Mario. Ooh, I like this one. You got these?
Yeah.
Probably got some new books for Zany Pooh. I'm talking to the camera. You want to say hi?
What's up, yo?
But what's up, yo? So that's forever how he says hi. You don't know if he likes Mario?
Well, he's about to find out.
I know he likes this because he has the bat toys and I sing the song. Who's this?
Baby shark.
Be careful. No. Here's your new book. Why you have your sister's phone? All right, I need to go eat.
The following day.
I usually do my daughter's nails, so I was like, maybe I'll, you know, show you guys. So I got this kit on Amazon. Where did he put all this? Oh my god, Zane got into it. I'm gonna ignore my face, but still. That's it? Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all the kit real quick. Ignore the mess, but I have my own jewelry already, but this one comes with focus, God. Sorry. Yeah, it comes with its own drill. It's the dip set. So this is all the goodies that come inside. You get nail file, you get drill, you get a little container, get a buffer, you get a brush, you get the cuticle cleaner. Like I wanted one of these. I didn't have one of these. Focus now. Oh my god. And now focus. And this is the no. Oh my god. So she's right there. This is what her nails look like before. Bye girl, free up your finger then now. This is what her nails look like before. I'm on the floor in my office because yeah, but this is what her fingers look like before. So this has a wide variety of colors. Look, no, you ain't gonna touch none of this. So yeah, they have a wide variety of colors. They have glitters, they have pastels. Listen, so what are you going for today?
I don't know.
You don't know? You have so much to choose from, huh? But I have to buff your nail. That has nothing to do with that. Yeah. I don't know how to do the French. I know you love the French. I can't do the French today, okay?
Okay.
I'll do it the other time. Maybe in a few weeks, but you need to do a fill. But for right now, we're just going to do a whole one like I did for your birthday. So just choose one of those. Oh, it comes in a little thing. Oh, okay. It's in a little thing.
I kind of like this one.
You like this one? She says she likes.
Lame-o wannabe.
This is what
Like,
happens when you just get your nails done.
Totally.
Let me see them. Let me see them. Not cheese and peas. Yeah. So focus. Oh my god. What is happening? It looks pretty decent. You know. Oh my god, this thing is not focusing. Yeah, but you see her, oh, she over here acting. Because she just got her nails did. There we go. Yeah. They look cute. It's like they look cute. And I did her toesies too. You want to show them your toes? No? You want to show them your ugly toe? Yeah, so I did her toes. Oh my god, I'm so tired. But, yeah. Now I'm having a sat. Oh my goodness. But I'm so tired. And I didn't even realize what the time was. Yeah, so I just did her nails. Excuse me, I'm look rough. I'm going to take these gloves off and go. Wait, no, I have to put some cuticle oil on her toes and some top coat, and then, well, some top coat, then some cuticle oils. Then I'm about to clean up and call it a day because it's 11:38. Yeah, so am I gonna end the vlog here? Yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Yeah, so I can start another one. Yeah, so yeah, I think I'm gonna end this one right here. Yeah, so yeah, if I don't come back, this is the end of this vlog, and we're going to start the next vlog. So see you on the next one. Bye.